It's 9 o'clock in the morning and it's raining, so that's the welcome for me. But can you hear the sound of silence and the rain? Yo, what's up everybody? How you doing? Welcome from Poland, from Europe. Actually, it was raining recently. Temperature dropped to 21 degrees, and today I'm in my hometown and actually at the front of my family house. In my family house, I'm gonna show you a little bit around. Very easy day going, just regular life in Poland. I just wanted to show you a few things because it was tiring journey and I didn't edit and upload the video yesterday, so I'm so sorry. There will be everything one day delayed. And overall, this is how it is. My family home coming. I'm coming originally from the countryside, so there's a lot of space, a lot of green scenery, and just very, very quiet in general, as you can see. So it's a little bit totally different than in anywhere in Southeast Asia. And mostly I made the video, and also little bit different. Everything will be different. I'm gonna be here for another 2 weeks. Then I'm gonna move to Canada, in Toronto, for 2 weeks. So I'm gonna travel around. That's why I said 2 different continents, and together with Asia, that's actually 3 different continents. And then I'm gonna come back to Poland again, but of course I'm gonna moving around from the central north up to western Poland. Not sure about the South Poland, but I'm gonna stroll around, show you around. I hope so. You're gonna be bear with me for another month. Also, I'm gonna show you a little bit from the local cultures, and starting from my breakfast maybe, perhaps today. Some of you guys asked me to show you what is in fridge of my mama. So this is like a stuff for breakfast here. That's the fish, that's the kind of sausages, that's the skipper. Some people may don't like, Winnie don't like it. Hams, that's the jams, that's the everything, cheese, butter, and of course you will have a Coke and milk. For me, Coke, but if you like, you can choose the milk. Just regular fridge. That's the view from the kitchen. It's raining. My father, my papa just catch a big carp. This is 3 kg with the head. Mama gonna make a fillets and everything. Wanted to show you because you guys may don't know in Asia or in Australia stuff like this one. This is the European carp. It's legal to take it out. It's like really 3 kg. And this one will be my, when my mama gonna cook, obviously, that's the chicken breast and that's the pork chop. Winnie made like pork chop like this. Actually, Winnie will like everything, but that's the views from the one of the rooms of the house. Basically, very, very cozy, calm vibes. The sun is very sharp. It's 11 in the morning. There's the forest where usually going. My papa just go for, bring the woods because we have a winters here, obviously, when it's winter. There's also one of the nice rooms here with the nice painting. This painting is 30 years old, basically, which is cool. Wanted to show you some of the wooden doors. And also here we go, check this out. There are some pictures. That's my family. Over here, my brothers, and that's me and Winnie. And of course, that's also me, but very, very young. And actually, if I'm already here showing you this room and everything, I will show you a little bit of my family home, a few rooms. And maybe you will be interested. Actually, I think I should do this, show you a little bit around. Every Polish homes should have, and I believe have, some crystals, like this one. This is very Polish thing, European thing, I think. Also, mama collecting some. They are all of them real. I don't know where they're coming from, but they are real. That's very, very antique stuff, actually. This is actually to drink some sort of wine, sometimes champagne. And my collection of Harry Potter books. Yes, I was reading all of them, by the way. And next to the books, actually, this is coming from Bali. I don't remember. I must have bring already many, many years ago. Those paintings, like this one, they are handmade by the one artist long time ago who made this painting and many other paintings at home. But also this wall is fully painted by the oil paints. This is handmade by the one artist long time ago. I just wanted to show you the quality, for example, of the fisherman. This is actually very, very unique. This is definitely something what I really like in this place. When you enter home in Poland, most likely you will see the cross, because obviously 98% of Polish people are Christian Catholics. And so many stuff. This is our house. It's totally little bit different concept because everything is covered by the woods. So, it's totally different than most of the houses you may visit in Poland. This is the room with this painting. And oh, this one is actually I wanted to show you. This is my brother did it by himself. He loves wolves for some reason. This is wooden thingy. Well, let's get to the kitchen. This is one of the kitchens here. Of course, I have a Coke here. Everybody knows I like Cokes. This is like a platter with fruits, Polish fruits. So we have pears here, apples, plums. Everything is fresh. Everything is from the garden, from outside the house. So which is cool. And then there is like an old type furniture. For the kitchen stuff, different than in houses in Canada or America or in Australia perhaps, where most of my viewers probably coming anyways. Collection of elephants, wooden, regular stuff. And then this is like the most interesting, the collection of the postcards. Oh, most of them, they coming from me, actually, from my travels in Asia, combined with some other pictures. Here you go. Which my papa really likes to collect, in general, my family. Here we go. This is the recent. They come, Bali, Indonesia, when I was traveling. Singapore, Thailand, and more. And this is basket with the... my mama always preparing something for me, something sweet. This is gingerbread. I really like it. Totally not possible to get outside of Europe. Toffee, this is German stuff, actually. This is like a chocolate with the... I don't know how to say, some sweets, and this is actually Milka, which is also German, which is like, I don't know, this is very something what we don't have in Asia, so I will also talk about this one in the future. And this is basically, this is it, that's the view of the kitchen paintings. All of the paintings at the house are handmade. That's the little living room. So all the houses in Poland, they have a kind of decorations. Of course, the colors and style vary, depends on the house, TV, furniture. All of the paintings are handmade, and of course the view. Also in Poland, houses have how to say, this kind of curtains, which are a little bit different than the other places around the world. So yeah, that's the view from my parents' bedroom. Basically, this forest and private roads leading to the forest, what we usually going. My papa just go there to bring some woods because the winter is coming in 2 months. So it's autumn actually time, nearly autumn time. That's the cornfield, by the way. Of course, like this one, just wanted to show you a little bit. This is the frame from Bali, and that's me when I was very, very, very young. And of course, as tradition, the painting somewhere of Jesus Christ must to be. However, this painting is really good quality, really like it. Also in the bathroom, this is the bathroom, we have another painting on the hole on the wall, which is also pretty cool. Of course, in Asia they have it, but this is totally different landscape, different kind of what is represent. And basically that's the view from the second floor of the house. The dark sky, probably gonna be rainy like this morning. However, nice is nice. Some neighbors, but very far. So we have a lot of space, and that's actually the forest and little garden here. So this is how does it look like. And outside, of course, my mom and probably many moms in Poland have some flower collections. She said as this flower for some reason is very hard to plant, is purple. However, those kind of flowers and those kind of decorations you can find everywhere. And obviously it's autumn. During the spring, all of these trees have a nice flowers and the fruits. Actually, this tree still have a fruits of something. I think it's pear, actually. That's the pear. And the views, obviously. I'm gonna show you the collection of the cactuses. Actually, that's my mama and papa collection. Many of them. Check this out. This one is big one. Those actually are popular in Spain. This one is nice because it's colorful, like green and yellow. And many more. And also there's like a little tree with the apples, and they are fresh apples. I don't know actually why they are so small. So small and so many of them. This is some sort of special type. This is autumn soon coming, so it's popular for the fruits like this one. So cool, something different. Collection of the flowers, trees, beautiful weather, by the way. I'm gonna show you, that's the trees well, in Europe you can find, in North America, not necessarily in Asia. And yeah, that's the Christmas tree, obviously. But it's not Christmas tree, but this kind of trees, I like a Christmas trees. And also the flowers like this one, and the little garden. That's all of those trees are fruit trees.
but it's not the season obviously. And the fields, normally that's the wheat fields, but it's like a winter time is coming, autumn, so it's no more wheat. You know, if I came here 2 months earlier, this will be nice, almost like a rice fields if somebody don't know, but with the wheat obviously. This is it. It's gonna be rainy probably. Just arrived to the city, small town, only 5,000 people living. It's called SUSZ in Poland, in the northern part of Poland. Going to make my new ID. I'm going to photograph her, make a picture, and let's see. I will show you a little bit around as well. But it's raining and it's a little bit cold today. It's already 20 degrees. Yesterday was 30, today is 20. That's the European vibes, like this one. This is like a small town. This is one of the churches. Well, this is like a parking area. Very little town, only 5,000 people living here. Got myself mojito flavor energy drink in Żabka. Żabka is like a Polish version of 7-Eleven. It's like 7-Eleven, but it's called Żabka. And Żabka, it means frog. Just interesting fact, I guess. Overall, all of those little towns in Poland, they are generally very clean, but also very quiet. And by quiet mean like sometimes you feel like it's during the pandemic times or something because nobody is walking around. But that's only in small towns. Little post office here is just small one in the small town, but most of them they looking like old architecture, and this is like a little bit of the central location of the very little town. My favorite bakery is over there. Probably tomorrow, any other morning, I will come over for buy some bread. I'll show you around what they can have it, but also you can find a lot of nice pastries in Poland. I will show you a lot of things in the later on in the different cities across northern part of Poland. Basically, we'll show you really a lot. So bear with me. Today is just very easy going day. That's the part of the old town. We still have these roads. Those roads are actually super old from the bricks, and of course the modern footpaths and everything. Even time to time somebody is going. Basically, there is the old town, but this is just literally 5,000 people little town. That's the old town basically, with the still very old road. This road, I call it church road basically, because the road is leading to the church, and that's the old town. It's changed really a lot since I was living here. It looks totally different now. It's more organized, more clean. It was actually like a grass here only 10, 12, 15 years ago, but it's cool. Also, there are a few interesting facts about this one. This is old town, Stare Miasto, it means old town. SUSZ, like this one. Overall, this town is called SUSZ, but during the Prussian era, it belongs to the Prussia, obviously, which is Germany, and the old name was Rosenberg, which means rose with something. Just interesting facts. So if you ever ask if I have something to do with Russia, totally nothing, zero, completely zero. This even part of the Poland never ever belongs to Russia. So, you know, just wanted to let you know. And even a small town, I would like to show you. This is the little miniature house the town were looking like when there was the established. And this little town in Poland is coming from 1810. It's 200 years old town over. It's just unbelievable. And I just wanted to show you that beautiful shot right now. Looks really like this one. This is very old town. My paperwork is done. This is the government office, like this one, very small, no queues. You just go, fill the documents and out. So this is actually very easy and very convenient. Well, European vibe. It's afternoon. We just arrived to another city. It's called Prabuty. It's in different region, in Kujawsko-Pomorskie in Polish language. Another very small town, similar to like my hometown. They have few shops, few complexes. It's pretty new. Just wanted to show you a little bit from the shopping, and then I'm gonna edit all the videos what I didn't upload, this one and the other one. And yeah, and tomorrow we're gonna travel somewhere. But that's how they look like in the small towns there are in Poland recently. One of the supermarkets here, maybe if you're interested about the prices in Poland of the groceries or something, I could go there and show you. That's the German brand, by the way, Lidl. My German friends should know, and this is like a complex of the stuff here. This is how does it look like. The whole complex is very similar to what I saw in Perth, in Butler, in the newer part of Perth. So very similar complex, and overall that's how does it look like. That's the shops here. Except the shops, I would like to mention about how clean is it and how organized is it. the places for the mobility for the families. Well, this is opposite to this one what is in Asia, but that's normal for everybody who are in Europe recently or coming from Europe. You should be familiar, but Poland looks like this one in general. And of course, this is just the shopping complex, but and small old town what I show you. But of course, I'm gonna go to the big cities and show you the really a lot of interesting places and architecture and the foods and so on. But today, very easygoing day.
When I go to reach out and to roam, there is no perception of a home. For when it's all been said and done, I know how to act when nothing's what it seems.
Alright, so this is the traditional Polish dinner or lunch. I quickly describe, my parents are a little bit stressed and shy to be on the camera recently. So I just gonna tell you, so this is the chicken with the cream sauce, potatoes, which they are cooked like this one in the pieces. This is very famous, legendary kotlec schabowy in Polish language, which means pork chop, basically. That's the little cucumbers were like gherkins, but we are making them differently. They're only in Poland. They look in the jar like this one. Tastes a little bit different than the gherkin. And this is like a cucumber with the peppers. And this is like a, flavor from the northern part of Poland in south will be a little bit different. And this is basically how does it look like. And this is all cooked by my mom, obviously. And of course, I forgot about my apple juice because obviously apple juice must to be. This is in Poland. And basically that's it. That's the first day. Just very easy going. I'm still feeling like a jet lag just right now actually. Just showed you a little bit around as always. Tomorrow another video as every day, the same time of upload. Even here will be I think 9 o'clock at morning, but the normal time like 4 GMT plus 8 is stay the same. So I will see you everybody tomorrow next video. Just feeling a little bit tired, to be honest.